So what is waterfall chart? Where I can find it? You can find it in the visualization screen. And your waterfall is something like it will go up and down, something like this. This is the one, waterfall chart. First of all, what is a waterfall chart? Why should I use it? When should I use it? So the waterfall chart, it will show you a running total, okay? So it show you the running total as the values are getting added or subtracted, okay? Now the question is, so what is this is all about? When exactly can I use this one? Supposing you want to understand how the initial values got affected because of changes in increase or decrease of values till the end. The classic example is stock market. The day one you purchased Wipro stock, and what is your current, today's the price, equity price for Wipro equity, right? And in between, how much prices went up, how much prices went. So you can see the volatility, right? So in that kind of situation, also you can go for waterfall chart. And also, if you want to display the product value over a period of time, you can use waterfall chart. Importantly, the HR guys, right? Head count comparison. They want to compare the head count, right? They'll use the waterfall chart. For example, here, I just put the same thing as sales here, and then I just want to see. Or we'll start with a simple example and then we'll proceed with the other one. Here what I do is I'll just, as usual, I put the sales here. The HR people, they use it, this one, this type of visual. So the increase, we don't see any red color here, okay, and currently we are here, okay. So we started with technology. In technology we have 45 lakhs, and then here we have 38 lakhs, and so here we are 2 million, right? Yeah, 2 million. Here we have 38 lakh. Here 4 lakh 50,000. No, here 4 million, right? So let me do one thing. I'll just do one thing. I sort the axis by ascending order. Yeah, so ascending order gives me the correct thing, right? If you don't use the proper sort order, you'll get confused. Look here, ideally this technology is supposed to be high, right? Hence it should display here because it is 4 million here, whereas furniture is 3 million and office supplies is even this one is 2 million. 2 million and 3 lakh 87, no, 3 million, 2 million, 3 million, and here you have the 4 million, right? So this is the one. And see, the simple classic example is head count. Head count is the classic example. I just go to the PowerPoint and I'll show you. Here, yeah, this is the one. Okay, if you see here, let's say on 2019, how many number of people you had in your company? You started the business on 2019. How many number of staffs you hired? Okay, and currently now you are here, 2023. So in 2000, between 2019 to 2023, how many number of employees we have increased it, the workforce, okay, how many number of headcounts that we increased it, and how many of them they left our company, and again how many of them we onboarded, how many of them left our company, and how many of them again we onboarded, and what is the current state. Okay, so this one, the waterfall chart, you can use it uh, to understand how the initial values, in this case, the initial account got affected due to changes in uh, increase or decrease of the employee headcount till the end, till then. So starting from this 2019, it's kind of history. right? So they started here and currently I'm here. So in between, how many of them we onboarded, how many of them they left us. So in that kind of situation, you can go for headcount comparison, right? And comparing product earnings. Okay, and showing product value over a period of time. The stock price, right? So Wipro stock price, the day I purchased, it was, it was here and suddenly it went up, and suddenly it went down. Currently I'm here. This is what the price now. Comparing product earnings, headcount comparison. If you want to show the product value over a period of time, right? If you see always increasing, then it is good. Okay, and yes, the product value went down here because of the COVID, other things. And currently we are here. Still, the value is more. It gives us the running total, right? So currently, what is the running total? Here, what is the running total? And finally, right, this is the one will give you the final thing. What is the current state? It will give you that. In that kind of situation, you can go for waterfall chart. What are the other things are there now apart from waterfall chart and bookmarks? Okay, to summarize, we discussed about area chart and the line chart, and bar chart we discussed. Bar chart, if you want to compare the different categories side by side, then you can go for bar or column chart. And waterfall charts, if you want to show a running total as the values are added or subtracted. Okay, and combo charts also we discussed in the previous session. In the case of combo chart, it's nothing but the combination of your column as well as the line chart. Because the two y-axis values measures shows the common x-axis value. The classic example, x-axis here we have plotted it, and then the y-axis sales and profit. Okay, that is the one view. So combination chart, as the name suggests, the combination of two charts, column chart and line chart. And pie chart also we discussed if you want to find out the relationship or understand the relationship of parts to whole. And donut chart also same as the pie chart. Okay, and next one is scatter and bubble chart also we discussed. The scatter or the bubble chart, with that we can identify the relationship or the correlation between two quantitative measures or variables or columns, sales and profit. That is what we are saying. And then funnel chart we have seen today. If you want to visualize a process which has different stages, and the items flow sequentially from one stage to next, right? You can see it with the help of funnel chart. Okay, in the case of any process which sequentially flow between stages, in that kind of situation, you can go for funnel chart. Ribbon chart. So when we can use ribbon chart, which category has the highest rank? If you want to see the rank or percentage of change in sales values, or the rank, in that kind of situation you want to go for ribbon chart visual. And other than this, we have GAU chart. We discussed about GAU chart. GAU chart is meant for KPIs, actual versus target, right? If you want to measure it, GAU chart you can use it. And then single chord also we have seen it. The single chord we can just display the single measure value there. Okay, and the next one is we will proceed with understanding the